If you have been looking for the right ways to save for college, you may want to pay close attention to this video. Welcome, future college students. Have you ever wondered how much a college education will cost in the near future? Well, brace yourselves, because by 2030, the average cost of a four-year public college education is projected to skyrocket over $150,000. Shocking, right? Welcome to today's video, where we will delve into the crucial topic of saving for college. It's never too early to start planning for your future, especially when it comes to securing your education. Let's explore why starting to save for college early on can have a significant impact on your future success. Saving for college can seem daunting, but with careful planning and smart strategies, you can secure your future without overwhelming financial stress. This guide provides practical tips, tricks, and strategies to help you save effectively for college. 1. Understanding the importance of saving for college. 1.1 Rising cost of education. Tuition fees. College tuition fees have been increasing steadily over the years. Living expenses. Accommodation, food, and other living expenses add to the cost of college. 1.2 Benefits of early saving. Reduced debt. Saving early reduces the need for student loans and the burden of debt after graduation. Financial security. Early savings provide a financial cushion, allowing you to focus on your studies. 2. Setting clear savings goals. 2.1 Determine the cost of college. Research costs. Look up the average costs of tuition, books, and living expenses at your target colleges. Estimate total cost. Calculate the total cost for the entire duration of your college education. 2.2 Define your savings target. Monthly savings goal. Based on your timeline, determine how much you need to save each month. Savings timeline. Establish a timeline for reaching your savings goal, factoring in how many years you have before starting college. 3. Savings accounts and investment options. 3.1 529 College savings plans. Tax benefits. Contributions grow tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified education expenses are tax-free. Flexibility. Funds can be used for tuition, fees, books, and other education-related expenses. State-specific plans. Some states offer additional tax benefits for residents who invest in their state's plan. 3.2 Coverdell Education Savings Accounts, ESAs. Tax advantages. Contributions grow tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified education expenses are tax-free. Contribution limits. Lower annual contribution limit compared to 529 plans. 3.3 Custodial accounts, UTMA, UGMA. Control. Assets are transferred to the beneficiary's control at the age of majority. Investment options. Wide range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. 3.4 Roth IRAs. Flexibility. While primarily a retirement account, contributions, not earnings, can be withdrawn penalty-free for educational expenses. Tax benefits. Contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but withdrawals are tax-free in retirement. 4. Smart saving strategies. 4.1 Start early. Compounding interest. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow through compounding interest. Consistent contributions. Make regular contributions, even if they are small, to build your savings over time. 4.2 Automate your savings. Direct deposits. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck or bank account to your college savings account. Scheduled contributions. Schedule regular contributions to ensure consistent saving without having to remember each month. 4.3 Budget and cut costs. Track expenses. Monitor your spending to identify areas where you can cut back and redirect those funds to your savings. Reduce unnecessary spending. Cut down on non-essential expenses such as dining out, entertainment, and luxury items. 4.4 Take advantage of scholarships and grants. Research opportunities. Look for scholarships and grants offered by colleges, private organizations, and government programs. Apply early. Submit applications early to increase your chances of receiving financial aid. 4.5 Encourage gifts and contributions. Gift contributions. Encourage family and friends to contribute to your college savings account instead of giving traditional gifts. Matching contributions. Ask your employer if they offer matching contributions to education savings accounts. 5. Investing wisely. 5.1 Diversify investments. Asset allocation. Diversify your investments to balance risk and return. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Age-based portfolios. Some 529 plans offer age-based portfolios that adjust the asset allocation as the beneficiary gets closer to college age. 5.2 Monitor and adjust regular review. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Rebalance. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. 6. Managing financial aid and loans. 6.1 Understanding financial aid. Types of aid. Learn about the different types of financial aid available, including grants, scholarships, work-study programs, and loans. FAFSA. Complete the free application for federal student aid, FAFSA, to determine your eligibility for federal financial aid. 6.2 Responsible borrowing. Federal versus private loans. Understand the differences between federal and private student loans, including interest rates and repayment terms. Borrow what you need. Only borrow what you need to cover your education expenses to minimize debt. 7. Financial planning for college students. 7.1 Budgeting. Create a college budget. Plan your budget to include tuition, books, living expenses, and personal expenses. Track spending. Monitor your spending to ensure you stay within your budget. 7.2 Building credit. Credit cards. Use credit cards responsibly to build a good credit history. On-time payments. Always make on-time payments to avoid late fees and build a positive credit score. 7.3 Part-time work campus jobs. Look for part-time jobs on campus that can help you earn money while balancing your studies. Internships. Consider internships that provide both income and valuable work experience. 8. Long-term financial planning. 8.1 Post-graduation financial goals. Repay loans. Create a plan to repay student loans after graduation. Build savings. Start building an emergency fund and saving for future financial goals. 8.2 Career planning. Job market research. Research the job market in your field of study to understand potential earnings and career prospects. Networking. Build a professional network to increase your job opportunities after graduation. In conclusion, saving for college requires careful planning, disciplined saving, and smart investment strategies. By starting early, setting clear goals, and taking advantage of savings accounts and financial aid, you can secure your future and achieve your educational goals without overwhelming financial stress. Follow these tips and strategies to build a strong financial foundation for your college education and beyond. Remember, every little bit saved today contributes to a brighter, debt-free future. Start now and take control of your financial journey. I hope you found these tips helpful in your college savings journey. If you want more financial planning advice and tips, be sure to check out our other videos. Share your own college savings strategies in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on securing your financial future. Together, let's pave the way to academic success. If you find this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more wealth-building tips and tricks. Also, check out any of these 2 videos on financial independence and wealth creation, and watch one of them to stay on top of your money game. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.